Okay, amazing. So I can see your question. Super. I'm expecting you that you know the basics of this chapter, right?
Like what? What do you mean the basics?
I mean, whatever the formulas and stuff has been used normally, you know that, right?
Mm, I'm not sure.
Oh,
What's
it's okay.
formula?
No worries, no worries. I'll tell you in the on the go. So you see, the question has been given to us. Clear this page. We'll start with so they have given you gx. Okay, they have given you gx here.
Mm.
The question says that you have uh gx as this, and you need to find out, given you gx as 2x minus 1, and we need to find the value of x when gx is equals to minus 1. Now what we need to do, we need to substitute the gx equals to minus 1 firstly into the given equation that has been provided to you, right? So they have, like for example, they have given you gx as minus 1, so you need to substitute this gx in this as minus 1 in the place of x. So not like that, but yeah, 2x minus 1 and gx is minus 1. So you write down equals to minus 1. Now you just normally solve it first, like you'll take 1 to this side. If you do so, it would be minus 1 plus 1, because it will change the size, sorry, sign of this specific one here, because that's what we do in maths. Or you can also add 1 to both the sides, so that, yeah, it will give you the same thing. So 2x will be equals to 0 here. Now you will divide 2, or you'll divide 2 both the sides, or you can just take 2 this side, so that 2 is in multiplication, it will be in division in that case. So it will be 0 by 2, which is nothing but x will be giving you the value of 0 actually, right? So that is what
Mm.
how you have to do this question. X equals to z- 0 here.
Okay.
That is the first. This is the easiest one though. When you divide 0 here, you got 0, and that's it. There is nothing much you have to do in this question.
Mm. Hello?
Yes, yes, Rihan. Rihan, send me the next one, please.
Okay. Okay, I sent it to you. Can you give me 1 second?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. So this solution is also super easy. You see, it is given that you have ft equals to 5 minus 5t, right? So that will be equals to minus 1, 5 minus 5t. You take 5 to this side. It is in obviously the plus sign. It will be with a negative sign here, minus 5t. So this is minus 6t because, sorry, minus 6 because minus 1 and minus 5 becomes minus 6. And then you take it to the other side, which is like you'll take minus 5 this side. So minus 6 divided by minus 5 equals to t. Minus cut down by minus, you will get the value of t as 6 over 5.
Uh, okay, one sec. So wait, so can you explain how you do it though, step by step? Like how you get to
Oh,
how you do the first step?
no worries. I can explain you
I
why.
haven't really because I don't know my teacher in school. He didn't really explain it properly, so I don't actually know how to
I
do
get
this.
it. I get it. So there are two ways to do it. Firstly, they have given you the value of ft here is equals to minus 1. So you put that ft value in this equation here, that
Mm-hmm.
ft was equals to this also and ft was equals to this also. So instead of this ft, I put up minus 1 in here. So I write on minus 1 equals to 5 minus 5t. That's
Oh,
the,
so it's just substitution basically.
yeah, substitution. And then after substituting the value in maths, what happened is that if you have to remove this sign, like let's say this number here, or you want to get the variable value, one by one you will do, you will take all the numbers to the other side. So this, if this is in plus, you will take this to this side, it will become in my, it will go in minus. That is what in maths happen. Like if you will take it to the other side, the number, it will be going with the different sign. Either you can do that way, or you can just subtract 5 from both the sides, because that in maths, either you do from both the side or you don't do it, or the way I have told you. There are two ways. First, I repeat, you can take this plus 5 to the left hand side and the plus 5 will become minus 5. That is the rule. The sign will change. If something is in minus, it will become plus. If something is in plus, it will become minus. If something is in multiplication, it will go and divide. If something is in division, it will go and multiply. But in case if you're not doing that, you can just eliminate one by one. Like for example, plus 5. If you want to eliminate this, you need to add minus 5 both the sides. So if you add minus 5 both the sides, let's say in the short, both the sides. So minus 5, minus 1, minus 5, plus 5, minus 5t, minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 got cancelled out. This will become minus 6 equals to minus 5t. Now you take, see, if you want to eliminate t, it is in multiplication, you need to divide both the side by minus 5 here also and here also. So when you divide it, you will get cut minus sign cut down, and here minus sign cut down only. You are just left with t as 6 over 5.
Uh, Wait, so you got first, and then you got minus 1 minus 5 equals 5t. Then you did minus 6 equals minus 5t. So then, okay, got it. Then
Yeah.
t equals 6 over 5.
Yeah.
Okay, let me write this down. Can you go to like the left bit so I can write that down?
These are both, by the way, same, okay, the answer,
Yeah,
but just different methods.
yeah. Okay. Okay, Corey, let me send you the next question.
Mm-hmm.
I'll send you the next question,
Yeah.
and I'll try this one myself. So can you tell me if I did correct?
Yes, 100%. Send me.
Okay, I'll send it.
Mhm. Okay. Do it and tell me what is your answer.
Okay. I got x equals 0.
You got x equals to 0?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, let me check if you get x equals to 0 or not. 2x minus 1 is equals to minus 1. 2x is equals to this, and x equals to 0 over 2 is 0. Yes, that's correct.
Mm,
They are pretty easy questions, though.
yeah. I just didn't know what the concept was. That's why I couldn't do them.
Uh-huh, I get it. What is the next question? Should I give you from my side? But it will be different then.
I'll send you one more just to try one more time, and I'll get the answer, and then you tell me if it's correct.
Okay.
I got 4 over minus 3.
You got 4 over minus 3. Let's check it out. Minus 6x minus 5 was fx. Then 3 equals to 6x minus 5. 3 plus 5 equals to minus 6x. So that is 8 equals to minus 6x. 8 over minus 6 equals to x. So your x would be 4 over minus 3. That is x equals to. Did you got this?
Yeah.
That's great. Just correct them.
Mm. I got another type of question. Now there's different types on here, so I'll send this one. I don't know how to do this one.
Sure, sure, send.
Okay, I send that to you.
Yeah, it's find the possible value of x well. So it's super simple again. They have written given that fx equals to x square minus 5x minus 33. Find the possible values of x when fx equals to 3. So fx equals to x square minus 5x minus 33. This is 3 equals to x square minus 5x minus 33. So 33 will go to the other side. It will be 3 plus 33 equals to x square minus 5x because it was minus 33. So it will become plus 33, 36 here. And then actually, no, this is not the way you can solve this question. You have to apply factorization in this one actually.
Mm.
So how to do
Yeah.
that is you will write down x square minus 5x minus 33. This will go to the other side minus 3 equals to 0 minus 3. So this will become x square minus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. Now you have to multiply this term 36 actually by the coefficient of x square, which is 1 here because there is nothing written, so 1 is there. And then whatever answer came out, you have to take the LCM of that. So if you take the LCM of this, it's 2 times 1, 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3 here. When you got this, you can just now take what you have to do is you have to break this term 5x minus 36. Basically, you have to break 5x in such a way that after multiplying those two numbers, you will get 36. And after adding and subtracting, you should get minus 5x. How? For example, 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 2 is 2 times 2 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5 actually. And 9 times 4 is 36 actually. So
Mm.
that combination you will write down x square 36 here equals to 0. You will break this in minus 4x and minus plus 9x. Sorry,
Okay.
1 second. Not plus 9x. Why? Because the sign would be of a bigger number. What do I mean by that? Like if you see sign is minus sign. So the 9 should have the minus sign because on 5 there is minus sign and sign is of you have to put is of the bigger number actually. Now you will take the common from them. If you take common, it will be x and x plus 4 common left over. Like x was common because x square is made up of x times x and 4x is made up of 4 times x. So you take x common in here and what is left over x plus 4. So minus 9 common, minus 9 common in here. Okay, minus sign and 9 and x plus 4 will be left over. How? Like if you multiply this 9 with these two numbers, you will get exactly this. So now x plus 4 and x plus 4 can be taken out common and x minus 9 would be left over. So that would be your answer. You have two values, x plus 4 and x minus 9. You can put them equals to 0 if you want and can find out the value of x. Here it would be minus 4 and one time it would be plus 9. They said find the possible values of x. So you find out the possible values of x for this. So this is called factorization or splitting the middle term. Two types of things you did in here. Very simply, you factorize them. There are methods to follow. If you didn't get the method, I can just explain you again.
Yes, please.
So there are like steps to follow in here. Whenever this
Hmm.
kind of questions come where you have the term x square minus 5x minus 33, basically ax square plus
Wait,
bx
Can
plus.
you can you give me 1 sec so I can just write the question down? So get this sorted. 1 second. Okay, done. Hello?
Okay, okay. So whenever you have this type of a question, when you have given this type of an equation, a quadratic equation, ax square, the one which has the highest degree of 2 on x, so ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. You have x square minus 5x minus 33 equals to 0. Minus 33 equals to minus 3, right? So
Hmm.
it was plus 3. So it definitely came out to the other side, first of all, the first step. And it gives you the normal solvable thing, which is minus 36. Now, the first step, step number one, you have to multiply. Step number one, multiply the constant term. What is the constant? Which doesn't have variable to it. This is a constant term. These are variables attached. The constant term to the coefficient. Coefficient means which is attached with the variable to the coefficient of x square. In this case, in here, coefficient is 1.
Hmm.
So you multiply that. Now, when you do that, second step, take the LCM of the answer. In this case, the answer is 36. In this question, answer is 36 times 1, which is equals to 36. After taking the LCM, LCM is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Sorry, 2 times 2 times, yeah, 3 times 3. Now, third, now break the middle term 5x minus 5x actually in such a way, or not, yeah, you can say in such a way that, and how will you do that, by the way? How will you break this term? That is also I will write down. Now break the middle term minus 5x in such a way from the LCM that you got, that after multiplying you should get 36, which is the product, and after adding or subtracting, adding or subtracting, you should get minus 5x.
Mm.
So that would be x square minus 5x minus 36 equals to 0. So that will be x square minus plus 4x minus 9x minus 36 equals to 0.
Okay.
Now take common from them. How? X square plus 4x minus 9x minus 36. Take common from these two and these two. If you do so, this is made up of x times x plus 4 times x. X is common, x plus 4 left over, 9 times x minus 9 times 4, minus 9 common, x plus 4 left over. Now take again common. So x plus 4, x plus 4, common, left over, x minus 9. Now put the two values separately equals to 0. So x plus 4 gives you minus 4 and x minus 9 which gives you plus 9.
Mm.
So the two possible values of x are these.
Hello?
Yes, you can scroll up and down, Rayan, to check the answer.
Yeah, can you scroll to back to step one?
You can also do that though.
It doesn't let me. How do I do it?
Wait.
Mm.
Can you try now?
No, I don't have it. I requested a remote control.
Hmm. Okay, no worries. I'll scroll up and down for you.
Thank you.
You want to see the steps or the question?
Other steps. Did you get like a message from my side saying like a request for remote control?
No, I didn't get it.
Oh. Did you get one now? Maybe in the chat.
Mm, no, yeah.
Okay.
I'm still checking how can I.
Mm.
Worries, I can do one thing for you.
On the navigation bar, it should say something called a remote control. Does it say that?
Well, I didn't get the options to control your screen though. I mean, from your side, any such thing. But you don't worry, I'm sending you this whole thing right away on the WhatsApp. And
Okay.
yeah, you can just check it out then.
Mm. Can you go back to the steps, please?
Yeah, just 1 second, okay? 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, now check it out in your, where is your, yeah. Uh, I've sent you on WhatsApp now.
Yeah, I got it. Calcium. Can you go back to steps two?
Step two. Are you
Yeah.
okay?
It's a bit blurry, the one you sent on WhatsApp, like the to
Oh,
read is kind of blurry. I can see the numbers, but that's it.
okay. Let me check.
Do you think you could just send two screenshots of the steps instead?
Oh, yeah, it is blurry. I get it. Because I've sent you in PNG. I have to send you in PDF. It's okay. I'll
Okay.
send you. No worries. What are you saying again?
I think maybe you could just send like two screenshots with all the steps on it. Two or three screenshots maybe. But if you can send it with PDF and it'll be clear, then that's also fine.
Yeah, just give me 1 second. I'll quickly send it to you. Sorry. check out.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's much better now.
Yeah.
Should I rejoin the meeting? There's like 10 seconds left.
I'm sending you the other meeting ID. Do you have it? 781.
Uh,
I'll send you, no worries. Okay.
okay.